making, Tobias?
I'm making kale, sausage, and beans.
Yeah.
White beans.
I'm not sure why you're standing on a giant chair.
Yeah, I don't know why. Here. And
You're
I'm just looking through these, and these are all the stuff that we can make out of all this, because all this, you need to use cake mix or something like so much candy that we don't have.
Okay. Did you know you can make cake mix yourself?
You can?
Yeah. You can find recipes for cake mixes. It's actually easier and cheaper and better. So we can do that if you need to. But we don't have all sorts of candies.
Wait, so we can make these? We don't need all sorts of candies. Who needs all sorts of candies? Well, Easter was yesterday, but yeah.
You guys want to make cupcakes with dinner?
Oh, yeah. Yes, we can.
So
you're helping today. More kale, maybe? You mean us? You can start.
Yeah, probably some more kale.
Maybe half a bag.
Sure.
We're gonna make the cake
Sure.
first. Well, you have a.
It's his allergies.
Allergies. They suck. Oh yeah. I think this is like the only place I've had allergies, but it was like early spring. But I have not had allergies anywhere else.
We just moved this table into the kitchen temporarily for
But it seems
the phone to get set up, huh? Yeah, we'll use it sometimes for holidays or game days or when we need some extra space, huh?
Yeah, so you can look through.
So I don't believe the kale should be all over the floor or the meat should be all over, but you know.
Well, you know, Mom, they will do it.
You know.
Well, actually, I'll just sweep it up, but they will do it.
Why Wade?
Because that is
Oh, it's his chore today?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we shouldn't make a mess just because someone else can clean, though.
Yeah.
Your poor eyes.
This eye hurts a lot. My hands are all
How's Inigo doing? The turtle.
How are you today? You out? You like basking? Yeah. Should we do lemon up cupcakes? Good. Actually, what? No, probably not.
There you go.
Which is fun. We're making cake mix and then we can make cake. We can make basically anything we want.
You want it on video, Peja? I can see. I can see out the window several of the kids riding bikes.
Exactly. Okay.
Riding bikes back there. There we go. I hear a chicken. Probably time to look for an egg. Tobias, you were surprised about how much the kale shrinks when you cook it.
Yeah, because it was like up here. And then
yeah.
A lot.
Yeah, pretty amazing.
Yeah. Chocolate, sure. But that's like oh no, that's cappuccino. I can look through these. There's not a lot of peanut butter ones. Good.
Hey, Beja.
Hi. Key lime pie cupcakes. To me, this is pretty simple to make.
Yeah, it is.
Boston cream pie.
You just have to brown the meat and add some white beans and kale.
Yep.
And then you can squirt some lemon on it. I don't know if we have lemons. And then you can put some Parmesan if you want.
Yeah, I'm gonna get Parmesan.
And we use turkey sausage, huh?
Yeah. Parmesan's not the fridge. Be in the pantry?
Yeah. I mean, sometimes we have, it's better with fresh Parmesan, but I don't know that I bought that yet.
Hey, Mom, have you had the, puppy seed scones that they have at the Dining Box? They're like the best things in the universe.
Cool.
We had them at Horse Camp the one time I went.
Oh yeah?
Like, we used up 3 pans. They were so good.
Wow. Have you ever made scones?
Oh, no.
They're pretty easy to make.
Oh, no,
There's all different flavors.
Pink lemonade. Cool. Caramel apple.
It shouldn't be. That's the baking cabinet.
Oh, this one?
That's one for pastas and tomato sauce, so that's where I put that.
Yeah, blueberry
Parmesan. Yeah.
Support it now.
No, you just let people put it on their bowls
Oh, yeah,
when they're ready.
Do they have blueberries?
We do not. We're basically out of
Everything?
fresh fruit, I think. That's the hard part of living out here is the first couple of weeks we'll have a lot of fruit. Of each month we'll have a lot of fruit and fresh veggies, but I don't know. We're going to have to figure out which fruits and veggies keep the longest. We still have some broccoli and a few kinds of...
Bananas stay good long.
No, they don't.
Well, they turn black, but they're still good.
Alright, you can use them for lots of things, huh?
Because then you,
But yeah, we'll figure it out.
And smoothie.
Parker and me and Asa ride the go-kart.
What go-kart?
Supervision.
The push cart.
Oh, if Daddy said you have to wait for someone to help, you have to wait.
I'm going to Dada's house to go do dog sitting.
Okay.
Please cut this out of the video.
If only I knew how. What you doing? Okay, bye. What, sweetie?
Can I look up and see any recipes to make cake mix?
Do you know how to?
Extract?
Sure. I don't know. Remember, you put the extracts away.
Oh, yeah, I can actually check.
Oh, look. I spilled a whole bunch
Rum,
Well, actually, not a lot. Vanilla. Some. And no, we don't have.
No mint.
We could have made the magically mini cupcake.
We probably used our mint up at Christmas time
Yeah, probably.
when we made
I
mint.
spilled a lot of kale. Oh! It's already gotten
That
down.
floor, you're definitely going to have to sweep. Can't leave that for Zaid.
It's already gone down. So
Yeah?
Some more.
No, that's good.
Okay.
And you don't want to get the meat too overdone, so once the kale is pretty soft, then you can turn it off and tell people it's time to eat. Yeah.
It's soft.
No, I just meant how it looks. You don't have to touch it.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
Fine.
sir.
So, I had touched it this morning.
Do him. Papa wants to,
Are you telling me a secret?
Papa wants to have a day where his mom can come over and we can do the push cart with him.
Okay, sometime, yeah.
Is Monday fine?
Next month.
Next Monday, sure.
Yeah. Okay.
Woo! I don't even know what you guys are talking about. Macadamia cupcakes? Playdate.
Yep.
It's macadamia.
Macadamia nuts, you know those big nuts?
Oh, those nuts that the dude stole in the movie.
Yeah, I think that's good. Turn it off, please.
Okay.
That's our
Tasty
giant
turtle.
skillet. That was my grandmother's. It's perfect for our
Not
size
chocolate
family, huh?
Yes, the raisins are
So hopefully Daddy will get home from work soon. But
The hot hasn't been put on here.
no, let's just leave it there, okay? But can you sweep a little?
Like,
So everyone
just
doesn't
so it
step.
burn.
Actually, with a gas stove, when it's off, it's off. It's way better than
Okay.
the electric
yeah,
one.
the other one right here.
You need
No,
to tell
honey.
me something.
No, honey.
Okay.
Nope. The rules are you can play in each other's yards, okay? So that's not coming in houses.
So let me sweep because I made this.
Justin, stay in the house by driveway, please.
Huh?
Justin, can you just get this? This is not how
This is how videoing is. Sorry, sweetie.
Exactly. Can you keep driving the house like back out the driveway?
Yeah, just send him in. I'll give him
Little
a
lamb cakes.
mission. We have all our little baskets with Easter stuff everywhere. What you looking up?
Cake mix? How to make cake mix?
Homemade? Did you type in homemade cake mix?
Yep,
Yeah,
it
you
says
got it.
homemade cake mix.
Nice.
Mom, should I sweep it up the
So
door?
what are the ingredients? You know what? That's not, well, no, can you put it on the dustpan and then you can throw it out to the animals, but
You got
we
it.
don't want them eating on our porch, so throw it far away from the porch.
Yeah, okay.
So otherwise you could.
So, Soren.
So what ingredients do you need? Go way down. Those kind of websites like to keep you on for a really long time, so they put the
I make
recipe way
homemade
down.
vanilla cupcakes.
Oh yeah, homemade
Flour,
vanilla
sugar,
cake
baking
mix.
powder, baking soda, salt.
So look, that's all the ingredients to make a cake mix. Isn't that easy? Isn't it easy?
Step one. Soren, go get. Wait, do you want like
So-
lemon?
People like to make us think
should
that we
look
need
through
cake
all of them.
mixes, but we don't.
Oh, it's perfect. I've never actually made cake
Should we
mix.
make the peanut butter ones that
Yeah, you can if it says vanilla.
banana?
You're gonna make peanut butter ones?
Yeah, if it says vanilla.
Oh, peanut butter
cupcakes.
peanut butter
Bananas.
cupcakes?
Probably.
Cool.
Yeah, probably. So, Soren, step one video.
Alright, Mom.
We'll combine all dry ingredients.
This doesn't need cake mix.
Huh?
That needs
Huh?
nothing but cake. Or nothing.
But yeah, because we don't want to encourage them to come to the porch at all.
Yeah.
Like cake mix and
Banana chocolate chunk.
We don't have bananas.
Never mind.
We did last week.
I'm jealous and no. I'll look at this. Ooh, key lime pie?
I doubt we have the ingredients for that.
Yeah.
Some of those things, now that we have internet, we can get a list together and have it all ready in our
Yeah, we don't
cart
have limes.
for when we go to town.
Boston
Okay,
cream.
don't stick your fingers in the food.
No cake mix.
Huh?
Vanilla instant pudding.
You just swept. Okay, so is it good?
Yeah.
Good. So you want to tell people maybe it's time for Parker to go home for a while? Say we're about to have dinner, and then you can invite people to come eat.
Hmm?
Yeah, put the broom away. Thanks.
Is homemade put together, Mom?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yep, it's one word.
Home. Oh, they're gone.
Asa needs to come back.
What?
Asa needs to come back. It's dinner time.
What's it?
He's in his room.
Okay, I'm getting super hot in here.
We have some of the art up,
Because guess what I'm wearing under this?
but still more to do. What?
I think that.
Why? Because it's cool.
Mhm.
It's all the style right now with my boys, these tank tops that I got.
Not me.
I see the kitty outside.
Ow, my. Hey, buddy. Nice. Wait, you guys are making cake mix.
The animals love that
It is dinner.
burrow in that tangle, huh?
Yeah, because twice we made that.
Uh-huh.
We made that the first time I went.
Uh-huh.
So,
First
yeah.
time you came here?
Yeah.
That Cassia's sweatshirt on the ground. Can you grab it?
Dude, where do we keep all the chocolate chips?
Okay, in the baking area.
This one?
Yep. So, or some are here.
Okay, here, let me just look back.
Some baking stuff is here.
Oh,
some
Edison,
is
we
up
have peanut butter chips.
there.
You did? Oh, nice.
We might have to make yellow cake mix.
Yeah, that's
Wait,
what
mine
I'm
is-
Got
looking
some?
for.
There, did you get some cheese on it if you want? And you guys, we can slice bread.
Cool.
Some of that loaf of bread we had.
Do
Yeah.
we, can we use
So
these
you guys is too. You guys help make it, huh?
Can we,
Yeah.
We might
I
use it,
call
not
it
quite for
the
sure.
mom bread.
The mom
Okay.
bread, nice.
Chocolate frosted peanut butter cupcakes.
Okay, then you guys are gonna have to put the others
What
away,
type of
right?
cup? Yeah. What type of cupcakes do we need?
Oh,
Zayd fell over a barbed wire fence today, right? And almost died. Fell over a barbed wire fence off a bike into someone's yard.
Yeah, we don't need cake mix.
Hey, no, you don't need that. No, that's not butter, honey. That's that weird cheese that we just use in that one kind of soup. Put that away. That's not butter.
Oh, forgot.
The bread is up here.
Do we mind me make chocolate?
Yep, there's the bread. There's the bread. Oops.
Wait, how to make chocolate? I blended my own self.
Okay, you're gonna need the butter knife and the. Hey, Jotham, you need the butter knife. Okay, now you have to wash your hands because you just licked them.
I call Lisa.
Okay, did he hear you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Did you hear me?
No. You yelled through the valley for him to come. That's good. I always thought we needed one of those triangle dinner bells that we can ring so you guys can hear us wherever it is. Now we actually live somewhere where we need to do that. Okay, so we're going to have dinner. You guys say bye for today.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. Bye.